What is up, everyone? Back with the fit. I'm going to take off the red Honda badges. Anyone wanting the badges, you can get them at ICB Motorsports. What I'm also doing right now is we're going to take off this chrome piece, a couple bolts, and put on one of the newer black pieces. I just think it looks a little classier than the dated 2015 chrome piece. Let's get in. All right, so got our Honda badge and got the black piece. It already comes with it on there. So it's just all the green clips, and then you've got a little 8mm at the end that hold it on, and the windshield wiper. All right, so you just pull off this plastic piece. You got that right there to take off. And then you're gonna access this bolt right here and pull it off. All right, so we're actually doing a lot of stuff to this car. Kind of waiting until I get some other things done with some of the other cars. But I am gonna take the motor out. So it's right here, 10mm. Just unplug the white clip. And we'll just have a exposed hole there where the hole is for the wiper. But we'll get it gone. I know the car's a complete mess, but give me a couple months. This thing is gonna look totally different, guys. All right, guys, there's the motor. Probably weighs a couple pounds. I'm not really getting rid of it to get rid of weight. I just don't want the wiper on the back window. But basically, you don't have to take this out if you're swapping this. I'm just choosing to, because we're not gonna run it. All right, so this hole here is where your 8mm are, and then everything just plugs in. You don't have to take any of this stuff out. This is gonna be your little rubber grommet for the windshield wiper. So we're just gonna leave that in place so it seals so we don't get any water in. But let's put the other piece on. All right, guys, a much cleaner look on the car. I like it. What do you think? Make sure to like and subscribe. Tons of content coming for this car. Hope you guys tune in and share. Next time.